So check this out. I got these earplugs right here. They're from Audree Earplugs. Okay, I'm gonna check them out. Unboxing. Little case. With style, more effective ear tips for different volume different ear tips for different volume. So that way you can block out more sound. See? See? So, check them out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. I like that. Here's the other one. Oh yeah. Say what? I didn't hear you. No, I like them. They're not uncomfortable like you do with regular earplugs. You know how the regular earplugs will expand and they hurt your ear and stuff like that? I really like these. Definitely love these. Well, anyways, I'm gonna put the link to these and tag them in it so that way y'all can check them out. Especially if you're in the high machine area, you can probably choose different ones to fit the area that you're in. But they fit just right down in my ear. Looks like they got a little bit of right there. I don't know what that is. Looks like a little speaker, but I don't think it is. But it does reduce sound quite a bit. That's the box they come in right there. 18 decibels to 29 decibels. Style earplugs, Audree. Go check them out.